In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive dashboards in Airtable. We'll start with a solid base, design a dashboard in the interface designer, add charts and controls, test everything, and then share it with your team. First, log into Airtable on desktop. Open the base you want to visualize, or create a new one dedicated to your dashboard. If you're starting fresh, pick a template that matches your use case. Then rename the base so it's easy to find later, and keep everything organized. Before building the interface, make sure your tables are solid. Add fields for the metrics you care about, and use linked records to connect related tables like projects to tasks. For calculations, pick the right types: number or currency fields for sums and averages, and single select fields for statuses. Keep names clear, remove duplicates, and confirm values are clean. Good structure is the foundation of an interactive dashboard. Next, open Apps, then Interface Designer, and create a new interface. Choose a layout that suits a dashboard, give it a descriptive name, and select the source table or view you want to base it on. This will pull in the records and fields your components will reference. Now add your dashboard elements. Drop in charts, bar, line, or pie for trends and breakdowns. Add record summaries for quick KPIs, and buttons or links to jump to detailed records. A gallery works well for visual assets or card-style overviews. Arrange components to mirror your workflow, keep key metrics at the top, and tweak groupings, colors, and aggregations so each piece has a clear purpose. Add filters and controls to make it interactive. Use drop-downs or buttons to filter by status, category, or date range. Connect each control to the components it should affect, and set sensible defaults so the dashboard loads with meaningful results. Quick reminder, the Airtable website link is at the top of the description. Open it to follow along and build your dashboard side by side. Time to test. Click through your buttons and filters and watch your charts update. Try switching statuses, narrowing dates, and changing categories. Edit a value in the underlying table to confirm the interface reflects changes immediately. If something doesn't respond, recheck the component's data source and the control connections. When everything looks right, share the dashboard. Use Share Interface to invite teammates or stakeholders, and choose permissions carefully, from View Only to Editor Access. Share a link or add collaborators directly, and grant only what's needed. That's how you can create interactive dashboards in Airtable to analyze and visualize your data effectively. Thanks for watching.